As we saw in the last example, to graph the polar coordinate 230, we're going to turn toward our 30-degree ray, and then we're going to go out 2 units. So this is the coordinate 2, 30 degrees. Polar coordinates, however, do not have unique representations. For example, there are an infinite number of names for this same location in space. For example, we could start on the positive x-axis and we could rotate in a negative direction and then go out 2 units, and we would end up at the same place as 2 30 degrees, but we got there going a different direction. So the coordinates for that point would be 2, negative 330. We could also imagine that our 30-degree line extends out into this quadrant. We could also rotate, starting at the positive x-axis, and rotate to this line, which would be 180 plus 30, which is 210, and turn toward our 210-degree angle, and then go backwards 2 units. So negative 2, 210 would also be a name for the coordinate that ends at the same place as 230. Finally, we could also start on the positive x-axis, and we could rotate a negative direction, and then go backwards 2 units, and we would have the coordinates negative 2, negative 150. So there's 4 different representations for the same location in space using the polar coordinate system, and there would be an infinite number of those names because we could continue wrapping around in our coordinate system.